Okay, what's up, you guys? It's Helios here. It's your boy Helios here, and today I'm going to be roasting Katie Triggers Me. Yeah, I stumbled into this person while watching Leafy's Here. Yeah, shout out to Leafy's Here. So, anyway, I will start by watching one of her first videos. Note, that is literally me right there. So let's get on with this. Oh my freaking gosh. Yeah, sure you do. You psycho. You're not even drinking it, you're like dripping it on yourself. Gosh. Yeah, sure, you psycho. Dump it out into your freaking toilet. What are you gonna do now? Try to fit yourself in there? Yeah, you psycho. So, I have nothing to say about this, except that she is a psycho. I mean, look at her. Look at that pasty human face. Now watch this one. Okay, I just know what's gonna happen. Like, right now, she's gonna kiss her freaking screen. Yeah, she went... yeah. She's freaking licking it. You see that? She's freaking licking it. Yeah. Wait. Her chest freaking says Leafy. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Whoa, hold up a second. Yeah, of course you are. Show it on camera if that's actually true. Katie Triggers Me. Yeah, you know what? You honestly do. You trigger my emotions of vomit, puke, and hurl. Let's get on with this. Okay, hold up. Yeah. She literally had to go that far. That freaking far. So, I have nothing else to say about this. Unlike Benji, I'm not gonna do any puns for this. You know what? This is just freaking nuts. The psychopath. Ugh. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please give that like button a big thumbs up. So, I will see you all in the next video!